The Tesla Model 2 is redefining the meaning of a truly affordable EV with 7 smart updates that transform everyday driving into something smoother, safer, and surprisingly practical. From gliding seamlessly over potholes to keeping a crystal clear view through cold rain, from charging without ever needing an adapter to diagnosing maintenance before it costs you, every part of the Model 2 feels like it's built for the real world. Even parked, it stays alert and protected, while its corrosion-resistant engineering keeps it solid through the toughest winters. These are not just upgrades, but a quiet revolution in what drivers can expect from a budget-friendly EV. The first of these innovations, known as Pothole Guard, directly targets one of the most frustrating realities of city driving: unexpected potholes. Using a front camera scanning up to 120 frames per second combined with wheel hub vibration sensors, it detects surface irregularities in milliseconds. The suspension controller then adjusts damper stiffness almost instantly, cushioning the impact before the wheel even hits. Regenerative braking torque softens slightly at that moment, ensuring smooth contact and protecting the tire and rim from harsh shocks. The result is a 20 to 40% reduction in vertical acceleration at the wheel, making drives noticeably smoother and reducing long-term damage. Since hitting a single deep pothole can cost hundreds in tire or rim repairs, this system can save owners hundreds to over $1,000 across several years, while also learning from each impact to anticipate rough patches for future drives. The next enhancement, Storm Vision, ensures clarity even when nature tries to blur the road ahead. The camera lenses are treated with nanohydrophobic coating that repels water and resists fog. Surrounding microheaters and tiny air jets activate automatically, clearing droplets and condensation within seconds. This not only restores visibility to the driver, but also maintains reliable data for Tesla's vision-based assistance systems. In testing, the Model 2's cameras delivered up to 70% fewer blurred frames in rain and maintained strong lane detection in fog, improving automatic braking and lane-keeping performance by precious meters that could prevent collisions. Despite this, the system's energy use remains negligible, adding almost no strain to the battery, while providing a consistently clearer and safer driving experience. Then comes adapter-less fast charging, a small-sounding upgrade with big real-world payoff. Instead of relying on external adapters or firmware bridges, Tesla has built multi-standard compatibility right into the Model 2's charging port. The car recognizes and communicates directly with whatever station you plug into, whether it's CCS, NACS, or Type 2, negotiating voltage and current within a few seconds. This direct communication cuts waiting time by up to 15% on long trips, while eliminating one of the biggest sources of charging errors. With peak rates reaching 250 kilowatts, drivers can gain hundreds of kilometers of range faster and with less hassle. The next innovation, Predictive Wear Pack, keeps maintenance smart and proactive. Every wheel houses sensors that record vibration, noise, and environmental data thousands of times a second. The car learns to interpret these signals to detect tire wear, brake pad thinning, or alignment issues early, long before they become expensive repairs. It can recommend rotations or inspections through the touchscreen, helping owners extend tire life by up to 20% and brake components by hundreds of dollars over time. This predictive intelligence consolidates service visits and can reduce overall maintenance time by nearly 40% while keeping the car performing like new. Another breakthrough is the right to repair mode, which opens Tesla's service playbook directly to owners and independent mechanics. Through an interactive touchscreen interface, users can access guided repair steps, torque specs, color-coded wiring diagrams, and diagnostic data in plain language. With this mode, typical troubleshooting time can drop by up to 40%, saving several $100s in labor on common repairs. The feature supports small garages too, giving them factory-level access while keeping warranty integrity secure. Tasks like replacing a window motor or auxiliary battery become faster, safer, and more reliable, saving hours of downtime each year. Beyond convenience, this transparency strengthens the trust between drivers and service providers, making Tesla ownership feel more open and sustainable. Security also takes a major leap forward with UWB anti-theft and mesh recovery. Instead of relying on easily spoofed signal strength, the Model 2's key system measures the time of flight of radio pulses to verify proximity with centimeter-level accuracy. This defeats traditional relay attacks that have plagued keyless systems. If a theft attempt ever succeeds in cutting the car's data link, the Model 2 activates a mesh recovery system that uses encrypted short-range pings heard by other Tesla vehicles nearby. Those cars then relay the signal to the cloud, expanding the search area dynamically. It's a self-healing network that makes recovery far more likely in crowded cities or parking structures. This not only improves safety, but can also lower insurance premiums due to reduced theft risk. Finally, Tesla's Corrosion Shield and Drain Smart system ensures that the Model 2 structure stands the test of time. Every steel component receives a multi-layer coating, a zinc base, a conversion film, and a polymer top layer, providing up to 1,000 hours of resistance in salt spray testing, more than twice that of standard treatments. Hidden humidity sensors detect trapped moisture and activate small drain vents to release it automatically, preventing corrosion in areas that typically rust unseen. Over multiple winters, these treated parts remain easier to service and cheaper to maintain, cutting down torque resistance during disassembly and saving up to $100 per visit in reduced labor. Together, these details embody Tesla's new philosophy that true affordability isn't just about purchase price. It's about lowering long-term costs while improving comfort and peace of mind every day. The Model 2 doesn't just add smart features. It redefines what entry-level electric driving can feel like, blending mechanical intelligence, digital awareness, and everyday convenience into one seamless experience. Whether it's a quiet suspension adjusting itself before you even notice a bump, the camera staying clear in a downpour, or the car diagnosing its own maintenance before a problem starts, the Tesla Model 2 proves that innovation at this level isn't a luxury. It's the new standard for the roads ahead. Which of these unseen upgrades would change your daily drive the most?